Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, let's talk about something that can make or break your eye makeup: eyeliner. Specifically, the Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner Pencil in the shade AC Black Diamond. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, water-resistant, and non-smudging eyeliner, this one might just be what you're looking for. Let's start by getting to know this product. The Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner is a pencil-form eyeliner designed to define and shape your eyes with intense color. It promises to deliver a long-lasting effect, making sure that your eyeliner stays put throughout the day without smudging. It's a water-resistant formula, meaning it can withstand some sweat or tears, but without the hassle of a heavy, stubborn removal process. The shade we're looking at today, AC Black Diamond, is a rich, deep black with a hint of sparkle, perfect for adding some extra glamour to your eyes. Now, let's talk about how it feels in real life. The pencil itself is smooth and glides on effortlessly, no tugging required. If you're someone who's not a fan of pencils that require too much pressure, you'll appreciate the creamy texture of this eyeliner. It's not too soft where it feels like it's going to break, but it's just the right consistency to glide on smoothly. I've worn it in different situations, and here's the thing, this eyeliner really does what it says on the tin. During a full day out, it didn't budge. Not even a little bit. I went from a morning meeting to an afternoon coffee catch-up, and by the time I was heading home, my eyeliner still looked as fresh as it did in the morning. It truly holds up against smudging, and that's a major win for those with oily eyelids like me. But of course, there are a few things to consider. While the product performs excellently in terms of staying power, if you're someone who likes a soft, diffused eyeliner look, this pencil may not be the best for that. It's a precise pencil, so you'll need a sharpener to maintain the fine tip if you want that sharp, defined line. Additionally, while the black color is intense and bold, the glitter in AC Black Diamond adds a little extra drama. Some may love it, but if you're looking for a more matte finish, this might not be for you. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the pencil is easy to apply, water-resistant, and smudge-proof. Exactly what you want in an eyeliner if you're looking for longevity and precision. The creamy texture is another highlight, making application smooth and quick. On the flip side, its pencil form means you'll need a sharpener. And if you're not a fan of shimmer in your eyeliner, the added sparkle in the AC Black Diamond shade could be a deal breaker. As far as value for money goes, Clinique is a trusted brand, and this eyeliner definitely delivers on its promises. For those seeking a high-quality, long-lasting eyeliner that won't smudge throughout the day, it's worth the price. That said, it's always good to compare. There are other eyeliners in a similar price range, but few offer the combination of creaminess and longevity like this one. So, if you find the price to be a bit steep, there are alternatives, but the quality here is hard to beat. Looking at build quality, the pencil itself is sturdy, and the formula is consistent. The packaging is basic, but effective. It's not the kind of eyeliner that feels flimsy or prone to breaking easily, which I really appreciate. In terms of customer support, Clinique is known for excellent service. Although I didn't personally reach out, the brand has a reputation for being responsive, and their products usually come with a satisfaction guarantee, which is always reassuring. For those looking for a similar product at a lower price point, you could check out some drugstore brands that offer long-wear eyeliners. However, keep in mind that many don't quite measure up to the creaminess and staying power that Clinique offers. To wrap things up, the Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner in AC Black Diamond is an excellent choice for those who want precision, longevity, and a bit of sparkle. It's perfect for anyone looking for a trustworthy, water-resistant eyeliner. That said, if you prefer a matte finish or want a more subtle look, this might not be the best match. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've tried this eyeliner or have any favorite eyeliners that you think could compete with this one, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.